Dear students, suppose reducing the frequency level, that time the energy of each photon is h nu naught. That time electrons are emitting but is zero kinetic energy. So the total is only work is done. So the total kinetic energy is zero. So the equation is energy of each photon E equal to this one, that is E instead of E, that is the energy is h nu naught, that is low frequency. H nu naught is equal to work only done but kinetic energy is equal to 0. So half mv square is equal to 0. So h nu naught is equal to only pi naught. Put equation number 2. Then substituting 2 in equation 1. So instead of equation number 1, that is pi naught is replacing h nu naught, we get h nu is equal to pi naught replacing h nu naught plus half mv square. Actually, this equation is known as Einstein photoelectric equation. This equation is Einstein photoelectric equation.